Guys, today receive new Atlas and grapper fixing ongoing. What we are talking about? GPS खोलिए उसको निकालिए टेक आउट. ये GPS इसको निकालिए खोलिए यहाँ. इसको काटिए प्लास लाके काटिए इसको. एक GPS ऊपर में भी होगा, बूम के सबसे ऊपर टॉप में. एक ग्रेप का GPS है, वो बूम का GPS होगा. दोनों का निकालिए. गाइस ये मशीन है टुडे 31 दिसंबर. न्यू मशीन रिसीव्ड एंड ग्रेपर फिक्सिंग ऑन गोइंग. मारना उसको, सटा के मार.
गिलास लाइए, इसको काट देना, ऑयल पड़ जाएगा.
ओके हैव यू पेशेंस. वेट आई ब्रिंग. New machine assembling work ongoing, and today we will run this machine for a scrap loading unloading. Put this cutting the GPS. One is also top position. There is 2 GPS. 2 GPS आता है, ठीक है. दोनों, एक बूम का, एक ग्रेपर का, एक मशीन का. ओपा योबानी ब्लड. जितना मौत का खोल उतना ब्लड. जितना सा मौत को लीरा खोल उतना ब्लड. This is GPS. Look. दाते करके दात के डबलास. There is 4 pipe. 2 pipe is for grapper swing motor and 2 pipe is grapper cylinder for grapper cylinder, and 2 pipe for grape swing and 2 pipe for grapper cylinder. दवाई दागा मागा दात के दबला हो दात के मागरा एटी दात के कजा मो सियो सताई नाके किदे मागरा तुंदा दबला दाके दबला जो भी आ रही ओ मोगित का ना कारगी आ रही. मार तो लपाड़ा के सूदी है ना कारगत लपाड़ा को आ रहा प्रॉब्लम आ रही. दवाई दाके मागर दात की छोटा दांत का मगा रही था मेरे काम हो इके से जो भी आ रही हो चिनेवा दाब लेनी अच्छी नहीं आ रही. मैं तो मगा रही आ रही दागा ओ जथी काम होगा मेरे बिल लिखने बता भाई अगला चावा दाब लेनी अच्छी नहीं आ रही तो मेरे रोग तो मागरा दी आदमी तो आर्मी थी. ओ इकला कागज चावा बता भाई. दागा सियो दाजदा सताई दाते वाले खेलसी हो कर गया रही. अब मेरा दीदी और बेगा कहते हो अरे वो सब जमा नेला का के थे रात तीखा का के थे मारो का तुम का के होगा ये अरे फिर यार तुम का पूछो. And here is operator, new operator. Check this GPS एक ऊपर बूम के ऊपर भी होगा, उसको खुलवाना पड़ेगा. ये न्यू ऑपरेटर है, न्यू मशीन, न्यू ऑपरेटर. अरे and here is also a special automatic grease, automatic grease. Look. This is a auto grease, automatic grease, Atlas company original. This is a auto grease original Atlas grease, automatic. Look. Auto grease, and this is a pump, grease pump. This one, this is a grease pump. This is a put here inside, and after that, this is a pumping here. Look, this is a put here inside. This one need to put here inside, and after that, you insert grease here. This is an automatic grease system, and also this is a pinion. That pinion need to grease to 15 hours. 15 hours after. This is a special pipe, a special hose. Look, this is a grease gun tight, and this is maybe at this side. Look, this is this position. This coming. Look. And this is a pinion. Look, slow ring pinion, slow ring greasing this line. Every 50 hour, 100 hour must be greasing. After that you are not greasing, and then after that this bearing teeth will be mess up and broken, damaged immediately. That's why 100 hour, maybe 50 hour must be greasing. And this is servo valve complete. What I know, guys, I always share with you, and nothing hiding anything, guys. I always explain everything clear. What I know, guys. Here is a fuel filter. This is a water separator filter. This is a fuel hand pump. This is a hand primary. This is a hand pump. Look. This is a hand pump. This is a fuel water separator filter. Fuel water separator. Look, already written here. Fuel water separator filter. And this is air filter. Maybe this is a dirty area working. Maybe this is must be 8 hour clean. Every 8 hour there is lot of dust. Maybe not lot of dust. Maybe clean weekly. Normal dust weekly clean. Maybe many dust, maybe lot of dust. Maybe you must be clean every day. I have many Atlas. This is a pedestal outrigger. Here is a nameplate. This is a nameplate, guys. This is a AdBlue. Here is AdBlue. This is locking AdBlue tank. There is inside AdBlue. Look, AdBlue tank is here. This is a magnet. This is a magnet generator. This is a magnet generator. This is a hydraulic for hydraulics working. This is a magnet generator. Magnet is there. Look, this is a magnet. This is a magnet. This one magnet for this atlas. This is a magnet. This for this. And this is a generator for hydraulic motor. This is a hydraulic motor. This is generator. This is electrical controller. For magnet switch. This is a magnet coil for this magnet coil. This for generator coil. This is a separate valve, and this coil is separate. And this one for cabin, up and down cabin. Look, this is a engine, guys. This is a engine. Dodge engine. This is a Dodge engine, and this is a AdBlue system. This is a NOx sensor. This is everything is here. This is a steering pump. This is main pump is downside, heavy pump, and engine is here. Dodge engine. No, start. 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 This is a water level, water tank, syntax. This is a very soundless engine, very sound. Look. घुमाइए ग्रेपर ये फुल्ली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजन, फुल्ली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक। घुमाइए बंद कीजिए। CO open. खड़ा सो। Okay guys, what I know I always share with you and everything explain clearly guys. Here is both hydraulic filters. This is one and that one. Both is hydraulic filter. Both hydraulic filter. This machine is made in Germany. This machine is made in Germany. And very powerful and very strong and powerful. This is made in Germany. Go. वो जेपीएस काटना पड़ेगा, मस्ट बी टेक ऑफ दिस जीपीएस, दिस इज मेड टू सेंड टू ऑफिस। Go back. Hello, go back. This is a AC radiator. First one is CSC radiator. Second one, middle one, water radiator, and this is third one, hydraulic radiator. First air radiator, second water radiator, third one hydraulic. This is AC radiator, and this is a main control valve. This one main control valve. This is a main control valve, and this is a pressure minimized port. P1, P2, and this is a pilot LS line. This one LS line, and this is a P1, P2.